how to disable YouTube Shorts on your iPhone or on your Android. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable YouTube Shorts if you're going to be using Android device or Apple device. It's going to be the same thing. But the very first thing that you have to do is to pull up your YouTube application. And then from here, just simply head straight into the U tab at the lower right. Now, once you got here, simply access the gear icon at the top right, which is going to be your settings. Now, once you get here, under account, just simply choose on time management. Now, under time management, scroll all the way down, and this is going to be the tool that you need. Simply turn on daily limits or enable daily limits, and then simply choose it into 0 minutes. Now, this is actually the specific tool that you need to use for you to be able to disable YouTube Shorts. And that's how you disable YouTube Shorts on your Android or iPhone.